In this video, I will show you how you can make the enemy so it can follow us. You can see it's looking at us and it's following us as well. Let's see how we can do that. Now for enemy to chase the player, actually follow it, right? Because this is a enemy base and lots of enemies wanted to be inherited from this blueprint, and some enemies can follow the player and some enemy will follow a random path. That's why I want to create some variable. First variable that I want to create is can follow. So if this can follow is true, it means the enemy can follow the player. But if it's false, it can't. Another variable is alive. So if it is alive or not. If we destroy it, it shouldn't be able to follow us anymore, right? By default, right now the can follow, I want it to be false, and is alive, I want it to be true. No. What I want to do in here, when we check if the player is valid, I want to use a AND boolean to check if we can follow or not, right? Just with that, if we connect it like this, what will happen if we go to our level? Now you can see it's not following us, it's not looking at us, right? Beautiful. Now, next thing, we want to check if we are alive or not. So add another pin and check if it is alive. If the enemy is alive, it can look at us, right? No, can follow, we want to make it true. So if the player is existing and can follow is true and is alive is true, it will look at us, and now we want the enemy to follow us actually. And for enemy to do that, we need to use set actor location, right? That's it. Now for the location. First, we need the direction from enemy to the player, right? And we have it over here. Look at rotation. And we can get the forward vector off of that. Get forward vector. This will give us the direction from the enemy to the player. And we can multiply this by some big value, because the forward vector is a length of 1 and it's not too much. So that's why I want to change this to a float, and I want to multiply it by, for now, to 100. And after that, I want to multiply it to delta seconds. So in HPC with the different FPS, the speed of this enemy will be the same. So change this to float as well. And in here, we can get the word delta seconds, right? Beautiful. Now we need to add this to the enemy location that it currently has, because we want to add to that location in this direction with this much, right? No. We can get the actor location that will give us the location of the enemy itself. And now with that, if you connect it to here and hit compile and test it, let's see what will happen. You can see it's actually following us. And that's it. No enemy can follow us. Beautiful.